How do watermelons go from farm to table? With a global production topping 101.6 million tons in 2020, let's explore the journey of this beloved summer fruit. Watermelon is a large, vine-like fruit with a thick rind and juicy, sweet flesh. It is typically green on the outside with a vibrant red or pink interior. Watermelon harvesting begins at dawn to maintain freshness. Workers employ techniques such as manual picking or using tools like knives and shears to carefully detach the fruit from the vines. Subsequently, the harvested watermelons are loaded onto trucks, either by hand or utilizing conveyor belts installed in some vehicles for transportation. 1/3 of the watermelon supply in North America is imported from Central American countries including Guatemala, Costa Rica, and Mexico. Upon arrival at the distribution facility, harvested watermelons are placed in large containers, which are then automatically transported around the facility using conveyors and sets of automatic lifts. These conveyors and lifts ensure smooth movement in all directions throughout the facility, as the containers are positioned over designated areas. Here, the watermelons are dispensed and transferred onto another set of conveyors, strategically placed to facilitate sorting and processing. This automation streamlines operations and ensures the efficient handling of the harvested produce. The watermelons are then moved to the next section where employees are stationed for sorting. Here, workers carefully examine each watermelon as it passes by on the conveyor belt. They sort the watermelons based on various criteria such as size, ripeness, and quality. Any watermelons that do not meet the required standards are removed from the conveyor belt for further inspection or disposal. The watermelons move forward through conveyors equipped with big rotating brushes on top, which serve the purpose of cleaning and polishing the watermelons. These brushes are typically made of soft bristles and rotate as the watermelons pass underneath them. The rotating brushes help to remove any dirt, debris, or surface impurities from the watermelon's rind, resulting in a cleaner and more visually appealing fruit. The brushing action can help to polish the watermelons, giving them a shiny appearance that can enhance their overall appeal to consumers. When watermelons are initially processed in bulk on large conveyors, it allows for efficient movement and handling of a large volume of fruit at once. However, once the watermelons undergo the brushing process to clean and polish them, they need to be separated and arranged in a single file line for subsequent stages of sorting, grading, or packaging. Enables workers to inspect each fruit individually, ensuring that they meet quality standards and are properly sorted based on criteria such as size, ripeness, and appearance. This individualized handling also facilitates packaging processes, as it allows for the precise placement of watermelons into containers or crates for shipment to retailers or consumers. As the watermelons move along the tight conveyor system, they are guided onto these automatic belts, which feature individualized spots or slots designed to accommodate one watermelon at a time. As the watermelons reach their designated spots on the belt, mechanisms are activated to flip or release the watermelons, allowing them to fall down into chutes or channels that lead to the correct distributing section. Automatic machines are often utilized to apply labels to watermelons as they move through the sorting and packaging process. Watermelons pass through the labeling machine, which is typically positioned at a strategic point in the workflow. The machine is programmed to detect and identify each watermelon as it approaches, ensuring accurate placement of the label. Workers are strategically positioned along various distribution belts, each dedicated to a specific type of watermelon sorted by the automatic belt flipping system. As watermelons are directed to their respective distribution belts, workers stationed along these belts carefully monitor the flow of fruit. Their task is to pick up each watermelon as it arrives and place it into the appropriate packaging container, typically large boxes or crates destined for distribution to supermarkets and other retailers. With precision and efficiency, these workers ensure that each box is filled with the correct type of watermelon, adhering to quality standards and customer preferences. They may also inspect the watermelons for any signs of damage or irregularities, removing any fruit that does not meet the required standards before packaging. In the final process of the distribution facility, numerous boxes or baskets filled with cleaned and sorted watermelons are seamlessly guided along a complex system of conveyors. Each conveyor is strategically connected to specific destination doors where trucks are stationed and ready to collect the packaged watermelons for transportation to selling points. The conveyors are programmed to route the boxes or baskets to the correct destination door based on factors such as shipping schedules, destination locations, and logistical considerations.